me for the next few minutes. I'm going to show you how £2,000 care worker salary can quietly turn into over £265,000 in investment. Not by winning the lottery, not by doing any crypto madness. Just 10% of your income used wisely every single month. That's the target, £265,000. Let me show you exactly how to get there step by step in a way that lets you leave, send money home, and breathe. If you're new here, I'm Charles and this is WealthMotley, real money talk for Africans in the UK, in Nigeria, in US, Canada, and across the diaspora everywhere in the world. If you're working shifts, sending money home, paying black tax, and still feeling like, how am I this tired and I still am broke? Guys, hit subscribe because this channel is for you. Today's video is for my care workers, support workers, NHS, healthcare assistants, anyone earning around £2,000 average in a month and feeling stuck. We're going to break down a simple system, how to ring fence just 10% of your salary, where to put it, stocks, ISA, or whatever account works for you wherever you are, and 3 ETFs that can grow into 6 figures over time. And don't worry, I'm not going to dump all those numbers at you at once. We're going to walk step by step, like I'm talking to a smart cousin, not a room full of analysts. Stay with me till the end, because when you see what happens if you ever push this 10% to 20%, you would never look at your payslip the same way again. Now, I want you to picture Amaka. She moved from Lagos to Leeds 2 years ago, works night shift in a care home, take home pay about £2,000 a month after tax. Every month looks like this for her: rent, transportation, bills, food, black tax, small enjoyment, random spending. End of the month, account is back to almost zero. And she keeps thinking, I came all the way to the UK to be starting from scratch every single 30 days. If that's you, this video is your blueprint. We're going to show Amaka and you how to keep living, keep sending money home, and still build that £265,000 in investment pot over time. Let's start with the little, simple, most important shift. Not the app, not the ETF, your percentage. Here is the first big idea. Your salary is actually not £2,000. Your real salary from today is £1,800. Why? Because today, the first 10% is not allowed to join the chaos. It belongs to the future you. On £2,000 salary, that's $200 a month. So the new rule is all my needs, lifestyle, money, black tax, everything must fit into £1,800. Anything that can't fit into £1,800, I can't afford it. Simple. That's how Amaka starts. She still spends money home. She still makes room for food, bills, data, small enjoyment, but £200 is non-negotiable. It doesn't wait to see what's left. That £200 is not for vibes, it's for your freedom. Now, if that part feels uncomfortable, that's a good sign, because it means you've just found where your next level of wealth is hiding. Now, we know the number, £200 a month only. The question is, where does it go? Now, this next step is where most immigrants are quietly leaving tens of thousands of pounds on the table. Before I walk you through that, we have to choose where to hold this money. Where do you actually put this money so that you don't lose it, you don't waste it? If you're in the UK, your best friend is a stocks and shares ISA. Quick, simple version. You can invest up to £20,000 per year into an ISA. Any growth, dividends, or profit that you make inside that ISA account is tax-free forever. So if Amaka builds that pot into £265,000 one day, later, see, nothing. She doesn't have to share any single dime with HMRC. Compare that to a normal investment account where you could end up paying so much capital gains, up to 40, 30, thereabout %. So the move is this: open a stocks and shares ISA today on a platform like Trading 212, Free Trade, Vanguard, eToro, whatever it was, whichever one you're comfortable with and is FCA approved. Number 2, decide my £200 goes into that ISA. That's your wealth container. That ISA is a tax-free bucket, remember, where you pour into it and it grows in there. Everything you have there, you keep. Now, most people will skip this step. That's how you quietly lose 5 figures, for tax all over your lifetime. So you don't want to think, oh, you're doing everything right. Go and open that ISA today. It's free to open, very easy. Now, Amaka, what do you actually buy with this £200? This is where it gets exciting. This is where we bring in that 3 ETF step that I told you about. If you're concerned about ETFs, go to my previous video. You will learn about it. We're going to keep this very simple. 3 ETFs, 1 ISA account, 1 direct debit. Very, very simple. That's all you need to remember. I'll give you the ticker symbols for this UK or the European version, and I'll explain them, like we're in the living room together just gisting. So quick reminder, what is an ETF? An ETF is simply an exchange traded fund. It is a basket of different types of investments that you can buy in one go. Think of it like this. A single stock is like buying one plate of jollof rice, from a kitchen. An ETF is like buying a big party tray, jollof, ofada, puff puff, small chops, asu, fried rice, goat's meat, everything all in one. If you buy just one plate of jollof rice and it is bad, you are angry. If you buy one old tray and one small thing is mid or is not as good, you are fine because you still have other options of different other things on those trays. That's how ETFs works. That's how they are with companies. Instead of you just owning one company, you own small pieces of many different companies. Now, here is the plan for Amaka's £200. Number one is VUAG. First 80 pounds of that 200 goes into an ETF called VUAG. VUAG means Vanguard S&P 500 ETF accumulating. In plain English, it owns shares of 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Visa, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and many more. The accumulating behind it means that any dividends that you automatically get there is automatically reinvested for you to buy more. Your money is compounding on autopilot. You don't even have to think about it. So instead of Amaka trying to pick one US stock, VUAG says, here, take a tiny slice of the entire top 500 companies. This is a foundation. It is steady. It is diversified growth. Now, if you've ever thought that I wish I could own a piece of the whole of American market without overthinking it, this is literally it. Simple like that. You are investing in the growth. Now, the next £80 should go into another ETF called IITU. This means iShares S&P 500 Information Technology Sector ETF. What's the translation in plain English? It takes the tech companies inside the S&P 500, names like Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and friends, and put all of them, just the tech companies, inside one fund. Now, why do you care? Because technology sits at the center of things like AI, which you're hearing everywhere, cloud computing, payments, software, digital infrastructure we're all using every single day. When you invest in IIT, it's like saying, on top of my broad US market exposure, I want extra push from engines that are actually driving the future. Now, it will move up and down more than the VUAG you invested in. It's more volatile, which is why it's another £80, not the whole £200. So far, Amaka is doing £80 into the VUAG, which is the top US companies, another £80 into IITU, which is US top tech and digital infrastructure. We've covered breadth and we've covered growth. Now we need to add some cash flow or stability into this, your ETF or the bucket. That's where FUSD comes in, your dividend and cash flow engine. So the final £40 goes into USDV. Now, USDV is a dividend-focused ETF, a basket of solid companies that regularly pay their shareholders. Now, these are not hype names. They tend to be stable, cash-generating, with a habit of paying dividends year after year. So why is this important? Why do we want to add this layer onto it? Because over time, this slice of your portfolio gives Amaka income in dollars. You'll be getting paid, helps you cushion volatility when the market is shaky. You see that IIT when it's going up and down, this particular USDV stabilizes things for you. Builds a portfolio that's not just growing, but also paying you. So to recap, the monthly move inside Amaka's ISA is £80 into VUAG, that's the top 500 US companies, £80 into IITU, that's the top tech leaders and AI future, and then £40 into USDV, that's for dividend paying companies. All inside that stocks and shares ISA account automatically every single month. That's the machine. Now, let's talk about what that machine actually can do, because this is where a lot of people's jaws literally just drops. Now, let's stay with Amaka. She sticks with the plan. £200 a month, VUAG, IITU, and the USDV inside our stocks and shares ISA. Long term, no panic selling every time the market coughs or a president says something, all of those things, just forget it. Based on historical returns for this kind of mix, remember, this is not a guarantee. This is just giving us a guide, and this is not financial advice. This is literally us just educating ourselves. If she keeps going, after 5 years, from that £200 a month, she could have over £17,000 invested. In 10 years, she's looking at about £52,000. In 20 years, over £265,000, all from that £200 a month. So imagine she starts at 30 or 35. By the time she's in her 50s, she's no longer just a care worker struggling in the UK. She's someone with a 6-figure portfolio in global companies in tax-free wrapper. Now, here's the wild part. The total cash she put in over that 20 years will be £200 times 12 months times 20 years. That is £48,000 in all over that 20 years. But the portfolio could be worth around £265,000. The difference of over 200k is the market working for her while she's on shift. That's the power of time, consistency, and the right account. And we haven't even touched what happens if she ever, number one, increases that 10% to 15% or 20% of her salary, gets a pay rise, and keeps our lifestyle the same. Just to tease your brain, if £200 a month can potentially go into £265,000, what do you think can happen at £400 a month? That's a whole different video, but I want the question sitting at the back of your mind. So I want to end with this. A lot of us jackpot and then we get stuck at the bottom rung of the ladder in the country that we move in. We work every weekend, pick up every shift, send money home like, we are ATMs, but we don't build anything for our own selves. Guys, this system, this simple £200 a month or £100 a month, whatever you have, whatever split it is that you can do, it's not about becoming a millionaire overnight. No, it's about respecting your own future, making sure that this UK doesn't just, or wherever you travel to, it doesn't just use your body while you go home with nothing, and building quiet, tax-free wealth within the background of your life. You don't have to stop helping family. You don't have to stop living. You just need to decide. From today, 10% of my money is not just for Vive, it's for future, it's for the freedom, it's for I'm buying my future. That mindset shift from I'm just a care worker surviving to I am an investor quietly building ownership while I work. So here's what I want you to do next. Go to the description box below. I have put in a free ETF breakdown for you right there. It is my free ebook. Go there, go and look at it. Yeah, go and download it for free. And if you are ready to dig deeper into ETFs, stocks, all of those things, building your portfolio, just join the waitlist for my upcoming WealthMotley stocks class. It is the mother of all investment. I will show you how to pick the right ETFs with confidence, how to build a portfolio in the UK, in Nigeria, in diaspora, anywhere you are in the world, how to stay invested without losing your mind. The link is in the description box as well. Remember, this is education, not personal finance advice. Always do your own financial research. Make sure your basic bills and your emergency fund is also funded. So from Lagos to Atlanta to London to Leeds, Birmingham, wherever you are in the world, your shifts are not the end of your story. Use wisdom to build freedom. Stay wealthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.